Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: account, token, and updated app. Start by opening HIROA Ga and creating a new project with a minimal template so you can iterate quickly. Once done, paste your API key into settings and set the workspace name exactly as your service expects. This prevents mismatched resources later. Make sure to enable 2FA and save recovery codes. Now initiate the local sync. This creates the baseline files and gives you immediate feedback to proceed. You're now configuring HIROA Ga's workflows. Map each source to its destination and set sync intervals, short intervals for rapid testing, longer for production. Next, define transformation rules and conditional branches. Test them with small sample payloads so you can observe real outputs. Once verified, tune parallelism and rate limits to match API quotas and avoid throttling. Make sure to save and run a dry run to catch logical errors. This saves rework and prevents accidental overwrites. You're finishing up. Run a full sync and watch logs closely to validate outputs against expected results. Once satisfied, schedule regular backups and alerts and create rollback checkpoints so production changes can be reversed safely. If something goes wrong, pause further syncs, inspect the last successful checkpoint, and replay only the affected batches instead of full reprocessing. This targeted retry limits disruption. Finally, document the exact config and thresholds used so you can reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.